Welcome! Welcome to Presto, you got it, where we use insightful comments and analysis to make your learning easy, interesting, and fun. In addition, on academyforadvancedstudy.com at very affordable price, we offer many tutoring programs to help you. We cover SAT, ACT, AP, all the college prep materials. Of course, we cover K through 12 subjects. We even cover college level materials. Again, at very affordable price. We also cover advanced topics in statistics, computer science, and data science. We also cover programming and engineering, Python, Java, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. All you need to know in the age of AI. If you want to go to medical school, we can help you too. Again, at very affordable price. We offer tutoring program for MCAT. Now let's go back to our talk today. Today we're going to start a number of talks about alpha in Python's Seaborn library. So today what we want to do is to introduce a small section of code, so give you the context in which alpha is used. We will have a few more talks to cover alpha in more depth. So what we have here is a few lines of code, and so what we are trying to show is show a plot, a figure, and in the figure what we have is a data set of two columns. One is the hour studied, the other one is exam score. What this means is that for student, how many number of hours he studied may have impact on the exam score. So let's examine our code line by line. The first line, figure, plt.figure, plt being the pie plot in the Python's matplotlib library. So what we have here is we set the figure size to 8 and 6. What it means is create a new matplotlib figure. Figure size A6 sets the dimension of the figure in inches. Width equals 8, height equals 6. This makes the plot larger and easier to read. Next line, it's actually cover quite a few lines, but it's sns.regplot. So sns is the Python Seaborn library we imported earlier. So we use conventional SNS to represent Seaborn here. So let's take a look at what we have in this reg plot. What we do is use this reg plot function to plot a scatter plot and fit a regression line using Seaborn. Parameters we use here are first x equals hour studied and y equals exam score. This tells Seaborn that we're going to use our studied column from the data frame df to supply the x variable, and we are going to use the exam score column from the data frame df to supply the y variable. We're going to use to plot the data points and the regression line. As a result, we will have study hours in x-axis and exam score in y-axis. Next, we have data equals df. This tells Seaborn where to find these columns inside the df variable, which is data frame, contains these two columns, hours studied and the exam score. CI equals 95. This at the 95% confidence intervals, CI, shading around the regression line. This shows uncertainty of the regression line estimate. Nothing is perfect in the real life. Whatever we see, we have to say, okay, in statistics at least, how much confidence we have in what we're going to see. That's what the CI equals 95 for. Next, this is our line. KWS equals color dark blue and LW2. So this customize the regression lines appearance. So color dark blue will ask Seaborn to present the regression line in dark blue. LW stands for line width. So line width equals 2. This makes the line thicker, easier to work with. Now we reach the scatter KWS. This is our main focus for our talk today and later on. We have a few talks to cover alpha in scatter KWS. Scatter, what it means is this is a dictionary used to customize the scatter points in our plot. The color gray tells Seaborn, okay, we're going to plot these data points in color gray, different from the regression line. A lot of times you want to use a different color for data points and the regression line. Next, that's key here, alpha 0.6. This sets the transparency to 60%. This helps avoid overlap clutter, because if you don't do that, you with a lot of data points, you're going to have just one big clutter of here a gray color, and it's hard for you to distinguish more denser data points from the less denser data points. We're going to cover this in more in depth in later talks. So number 3, we have a PLT title. So with this, we can set the title of our plot. And last, we use PLT show to render and display the final plot. In summary, this code creates a scatter plot of study hours with exam score with a regression line and the 95% confidence interval shading, while customizing colors and styles for both the line and the scatter points. That's all we have today. Again, this is the start of our a few talks on alpha in Seaborn. It's a quite interesting topic, especially if you need to work with a large amount of data points. That's all we have for today. And remember, on academyforadvancedstudy.com and academyforadvancedstudy@gmail.com, at very affordable price, we offer many tutoring programs to help you. That's all, and thank you. Have a great day.